We all want our homes and businesses to be safe and secure. Professionally installed fences are a great way to protect our property, family, and even our pets. Perimify systems can enhance the security of your fence by providing real-time status and activity notifications to your mobile devices. With Perimify, you'll get immediate notifications when a gate is opened, closed, and when it's been left open. When used in conjunction with other safety devices, Perimify adds another layer of protection and security to your property. Investing in proper fencing and gates not only provides you with peace of mind, but also demonstrates responsibility to your neighbors and visitors. It's a small effort that can make a significant difference in preventing accidents. Perimify kits come with everything you need to get started. Simply install sensors on each gate to be monitored, plug in your hub, and follow the easy setup instructions in the app. Once installed, you'll be able to check the status of all your access points no matter where you are, giving you the comfort in knowing that your property is secure. Having a properly installed fence with self-closing and self-latching gates is critical for any family with small children or pets. And with a Perimify system, you'll know they're safe. Get peace of mind for your family with Perimify.